So problem number 6 based on missing character, right? Stuck out there. So this, what number should replace the question mark? This looks a little bit complicated. Let us solve this also. So now 85, 81, 32 and 24. By finding the relation from all these stuffs, we should get 6. Right? How can we do it? There's a question mark, right? Now, so let us go with this way. Find the difference of this 85 and 81. Let us find the difference. 85 minus 81. 85 minus 81, which is going to be 4. And let us check out the difference of 32 minus 24. This is going to be 8. So 8 plus 4 is 12. That divided by 2, we are going to get 6. Right. Similarly, so now we got the logic, that is the opposite side difference and average of those two numbers. That's it. See, 33 and 39. So let us go with this. 79 minus 71, 8. Right. 39 minus 33, which is going to be 6. So 8 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 8 plus 6 is 14 by 2, we will get 7. Yes. Now here 59 minus 51, let me go with that. A 59 minus 51, that is going to be 8. 34 minus 28. 34 minus 28 is 6. Okay, 34. 59 minus 51 is 8. 34 minus 28 is 6. Right? So 8 plus 6, that divided by 2, that is 14 divided by 2, the answer is 7.